One of the first things that's pretty helpful to know when you're dealing with PHP and starting to write data-driven websites is how to actually find your errors, because you don't always get errors in your code on the screen in the browser. So it's actually quite handy to know where to look. So by default, with uWamp, you open the UI, it's actually hiding behind here, this little down or blue arrow on Windows. It's around about the same place in the Mac. You can click on it and it actually says show Apache Error log. So we can bring up the error log. That one's Visual Studio Code, and this is an Apache Error log, so they're actually quite descriptive. They give you the date and time. So I'm going to jump to the bottom. I'm actually going to sneeze, but it gives you the date and the time and your error. The error's really descriptive, so like this one's when already with it. The PHP info's got an error. Well, it's just a warning actually, this one. Tells you right there. But you can actually make it have an error, so let's show that. We'll go back in. We'll open our File Explorer and we'll introduce an error in our file. And we'll go ahead and we'll browse to it. And it says it's now saying the page isn't working, so we can actually go back to our Visual Studio Code. This one doesn't update automatically, but you can make Visual Studio Code update automatically. You don't want to save it, but we do want to view it, so I'll go back. And it's right there, the final entry, PHP parse error, syntax error, open up, unexplained in the file, on line 3, which is correct, because back to your code, on line 3, which is here, it shouldn't actually be there because there's no semicolon at the end of the line at line 2, so line 3 shouldn't exist. So we can correct that and we can reload it.